Hi all, hope everyone is doing well. Today I will be showing you how to split an Excel file into multiple files, then email each separately as attachment to different people. So I have a question from Facebook from a user. So he's looking to split an Excel file into separate Excel workbooks on a few example country. So he has something like country and sales data, and then he wants to split it into two files of UK and USA. Then from a lookup sheet, email files to those people who match on that country. So he's going to email the UK file to Frank, and then USA file to John. And then he said that he doesn't want any sign ups and doesn't want to put any plugins. So I think the best solution for this is using Power Automate Desktop. So I have prepared this file. So similar to what he wants. So country, region, sales. So I have UK and I have USA. Then I have an email. So if the data related to UK, it will be sent to Frank, and this is his test. This is the email, the sample email, and for USA, email to John. So I'm going to show you how to split this data into two files, one for sales UK and one for sales USA. Then I am going to show you how to attach the UK attachment and send it to Frank. And then for the USA report, attach it and send it to John. Hello everyone, my name is Hao Zong. I'm here to help you to use office work tools such as Excel and Power Automate. If you think my videos are helpful, please help me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you. The first step is to launch Excel. Launch Excel and open the following document. So this will be the link to the sales file. Make instance visible. And then optional, you can turn this open as read only or not. At once leave it as default. Variables produced is Excel instance, which is the default. So this is to open up the sales file, right, with the country, region, and sales. Next, you want to set the active Excel worksheet. So Excel instance is Excel instance. Activate worksheet with name, and the worksheet name is sales. So see, my worksheet name is here. Next is read from Excel worksheet. Excel instance is Excel instance. Retrieve all available values from worksheet. Then the rest you can wait. So if you have the first line of range contains column name, so you have to enable this. Variables produced is Excel data. Then you use retrieve data table column into list. Data table is Excel table. Column name or index is country. So you're going to retrieve this column as a list. Variables produced is column as list. Then you remove duplicate items from list. List to remove duplicate items from column as list. Ignore text case while searching for duplicate items. enable it. So it will only give you UK and USA in the list. If I go to columns as list, right, click on view, you can only see UK and USA. So it's a unique value for the column. Then you use get first free column and row from Excel Worksheet. The Excel instance in Excel instance, variables produce first free column and first free row. So this is to see the boundary of the data. We actually have this get selected cell range from Excel Worksheet, right? It will actually show you the actual range of the table, but it doesn't work because it will sort of give me wherever I point the cursor, wherever I select the cursor, it will give me this range. So it's a wrong range. So don't use that. Okay. You can ignore these two, right? Then you use for each value to iterate column as list, store into current item. So it will look for each current item in this list, right? So it will do UK first, then it will go USA. So it's a very dynamic. So you have a longer list of country. It will do for each country. Next, you launch Excel with a blank document. Make instant visible, yes. Variables produced is Excel output. Remember to change. Then you use write to Excel worksheet. So Excel instance is Excel output. Value to write is Excel data dot column headers row. Right. This will write the column into for example sales UK. It will write the column name, right? It will copy and paste the column name first. This is a very unique thing. So how do you check, right? Like how do you know it's a columns header row? So what you do is you can go to Excel data here, go to view, right? Sorry. If you can click here, right? If you click here, if you drill down, right, for Excel data, it will actually, right, show you that you can pull out the columns header row from here. Remember, write mode is on currently active cell of the new workbook. Then you set variable. Current row is 2. Right, because the first row of data starts from row number 2. Then you start to read from Excel worksheet. So go back to your Excel instance, right? And then retrieve the value of a single cell. Start column is 1. Start row is current row, which is 2. The rest you can leave it as default. Variables produced, change it to country or change it to your column name. For this instance, use country. Right. Then do a loop condition. First operand, current row, less than first free row. So I'm going to come back to this later. Then you use read from Excel worksheet again. Excel instance, the value of single cell, start column 1, current row, it's which is 2, but because it will loop, so this will slowly increase later on. Variables produced is country again, right? Then you use if first operand is country equal to current item. So remember your current item now is the first, for the first loop is UK, right? So it will check current item. If its current item is UK, it will loop through here, right, to get all the UK values. Then you use copy cells from Excel worksheet. So copy from Excel instance, values from a range of cells. Start column is 1, right? Start column is 1. Current row, which is because it's the first loop, is row number 2. Then end column, first free column minus 1. So remember what we have done here to set the boundary, right? First free column, right? It will actually read, this is the first free column, right? And then minus 1 will be C. So first free column minus 1, then end row is current row. So it's actually copying just this row if the country is equal to the current item. So this will copy UK, right? Then you get first free row on column from Excel worksheet, go to the Excel output, and then select and then put in column 1. So just now they have we have already copied this automatically, so it will actually just ask Power Automate to go to this cell. So the next get the first free column on get the first free row on column from Excel worksheet. Then variables produce is first free row on column. Then you paste cells to Excel worksheet. So Excel instance is Excel output, right? Paste mode is on specified cell, column 1, and then first free row on column, which is from here, right? Then now you increase the variable of current row, increase by 1, right? So it will so 2 plus 1 is 3. So it will go back later. It will go back and loop to this row number 3. Right? Then you use an else. If the country not equal to current item, right? Then you just increase variable to current row by 1. right? So it will just ask Power Automate to go to the next row. So, okay, I want to explain this loop condition while current row less than first free row. So Power Automate will continue to loop, right? 2 plus 1, 3, then 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, right? And then because we have the get first free column just now, right? First free row is actually 6, right? So I'm asking Excel to, I'm asking Power Automate to loop, right? Until before row number 6. So it's less than 6. That's why we have a loop condition here while current row is less than first free row, which is 6 in this instance. Right, so this is the hard part done. So for each current item, right, you will ask Excel to close Excel, right? Close Excel, Excel instance, Excel output. Before closing Excel, save document as. Then document format is Excel workbook. And then you put in your folder path, right? And then the name can be sales or whatever name you want to put, underscore current item. Remember, this is current item. Use current item, not the country. Because country, it will keep looping, changing. So current item is, the first current item is UK. So I'm going to close the file and save it as sales underscore UK. Right. Then you launch Excel again. Right, this time launch Excel and open the following document. Open up your email. Right, the workbook with email. Make instance visible, yes. Open as read only. So variables produced is email Excel. Right. Then you use find and replace cell in Excel worksheet. So I am now going to ask Power Automate to find the who to email if the report is a UK report. So Excel instance is email Excel. Search mode is find. All matches untick. Text to find is current item. Remember, current item. Don't put country here. Match case disable. Match entire cell contents disable. Search by rows. Variables produced is for found column index and found row index. Right, it will ask Power Automate to search for the current item. So the first current item is UK, right? So it will Power Automate will return this column and row, right? Next is read from Excel worksheet. So you're going to read the name whom you're going to send to. So Excel instance is email Excel. Retrieve the value of single cell. Start column is found column index plus 1. Why plus 1? It's because the name, right, is after the country. So it's found column index plus 1. And then start row is found row index, which is exactly the same row with UK. Alright. Then variables produced is name. Then you use read from Excel worksheet. This is for email. The Excel instance, email Excel. The value of single cell. File column index plus 2. Because the email address is the country plus 2 column. Then file row index is the same with the current item. Variables produced is email. Next, you launch Outlook. Variables produced is Outlook instance. Then Outlook instance is Outlook instance. Then account will be your email address. Send email message from account to. So we have set a variable to email, right? And then subject is current item space report. So for example, this will show as a UK report. So hi, then name, right? Hi John, right? Please see your attached report. Kind regards, Power Automator, right? So this is dynamic, so it's so beautiful, this email. So attachment would be the location of your sales file, sales country file. So it's exactly the same with this one, right? This one. So sales underscore current item. Then I'm attaching sales underscore current item as well. Right, then it ends, right? Then it will go all the way up to here for each. So it will go to the next item in the list, which is USA. So I am going to just run this flow. So I'm going to close all the Excel file. And then I am going to delete these two files, right? Then I am going to run. So you will launch the sales file first. Right, and it will go to the first current item, which is UK. Right, then it will search for the email address for the person who will receive the UK report. So I think it's done. So if I go to the email Excel folder, right, you can see two files. Here's UK, right, and then here's USA. And then if I go to my email, I go to the send. Alright, I can see two report. So it's 9:25 p.m. here. So hi Frank, please see your attached report. Kind regards, Power Automator. See how beautiful is it? It changes the name, and then it sends the sales UK report, and then it sends the USA report to John. Oh, I hope you guys like this video. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And if you have anything that you want to automate, just comment that I will try to make a video just like this. Please remember to like the video and subscribe, or get me a coffee by clicking on the PayPal link in the description. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.